In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps on how to form an LLC in California. We'll cover everything from choosing a name and filing your paperwork to understanding taxes and staying compliant with state laws. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to legally starting your LLC in California. Starting an LLC can feel overwhelming with so many steps: formation, compliance, tax filings, and more. That's where Zen Business comes in, handling the hard work so you can focus on growing your business. Zen Business is an all-in-one platform that helps entrepreneurs form their LLCs, stay compliant, and manage business essentials. Whether you're starting an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp, they offer a simple and affordable solution with their starter package beginning at $0 plus state fees. Over 700,000 small businesses have trusted Zen Business to get started. As a trusted partner, they provide leading tools, technology, educational resources, and award-winning support, giving business owners the confidence and peace of mind to succeed. So, if you're ready to get started, let's go through each step in detail. Understanding California's LLC requirements. Let's start with what's required to form an LLC in California. The state has specific rules and regulations that every LLC must follow to be legally recognized. You must choose a unique business name in the state, appoint an agent for service of process, known in many states as a registered agent, and file articles of organization with the California Secretary of State. Then, you should create an operating agreement, obtain an employer identification number, known as an EIN from the IRS, and register for state and local taxes. After that, you need to acquire any necessary business licenses and permits and file a statement of information within 90 days of formation. Each of these steps helps ensure that your business is legally compliant and properly registered. Now, let's talk about the costs associated with forming an LLC in California. State-specific filing fees. The cost to form an LLC in California includes both one-time and ongoing fees. The Articles of Organization filing fee is $70. Every LLC must also file a statement of information within 90 days of formation and then every 2 years, which costs $20. California also requires all LLCs to pay an annual franchise tax of $800 due by April 15th each year. Even if your business hasn't made any money yet, this tax still applies. If your LLC earns over $250,000 per year, you may also have to pay an additional LLC fee based on revenue. Now that we've covered the costs, let's move on to choosing the right name for your LLC. Now, one of the most exciting steps in starting your business is choosing a name. However, California has strict naming rules that you must follow. Your LLC's name must be unique within the state and include LLC, limited liability company, or another state-approved abbreviation at the end. It can contain restricted words like bank or insurance without special approval. To check if your desired name is available, use the California Secretary of State's Business Search Portal. If the name is available, but you're not quite ready to file your LLC, you can reserve it for 60 days for a $10 fee. If you plan to operate under a different name than your LLC's legal name, you'll also need to file for a fictitious business name with your county. This is also known as doing business as or DBA name in other states. Now that you have your name, the next step is to appoint an agent for service of process. An agent for service of process is someone who receives legal and official state documents on behalf of your business. Every California LLC must have one. The agent must be at least 18 years old, have a physical address in California, and be available during all regular business hours. You can be your own agent for service of process, but many business owners prefer to use a professional registered agent service to help ensure they never miss an important legal notice. Zen Business offers registered agent services so you don't have to worry about receiving legal paperwork yourself. This avoids embarrassing scenarios like being notified of a lawsuit in front of clients. Once you've designated an agent for service of process, it's time to make your LLC official by filing the Articles of Organization. To legally form your LLC, you must file Articles of Organization, Form LLC 1, with the California Secretary of State. This document includes important details such as your LLC's name, business purpose, management structure, business address, and an agent for service of process information. The filing fee is $70, and you can submit your paperwork online, by mail, or in person. Online filings typically take 8 business days, while mailing filings can take up to 4 weeks. If you need faster approval, expedited processing is available for an additional fee. Drafting and operating agreements and getting an EIN. After filing your articles of organization, you'll need an operating agreement, which California requires to define ownership, management, and decision-making rules. While not filed with the state, it helps protect your business and prevent disputes. Zen Business offers customizable templates to simplify this step. You'll also need an EIN, an employer identification number, to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. Even single-member LLCs benefit from an EIN to help keep business and personal finances separate. Zen Business can secure your EIN from the IRS, or you can apply for one for free on the IRS website. Now that your LLC is officially registered, it's time to talk about California's tax obligations. California has some of the strictest tax requirements for LLCs. The annual franchise tax of $800 must be paid by April 15th each year, even if your LLC hasn't earned any money. If your LLC makes over $250,000 per year, you may also owe additional fees based on revenue. California LLCs may also be subject to a gross receipts tax, which is based on the total revenue generated by the business, devoid of any deductions. LLCs in California are considered pass-through entities, which means the business itself doesn't pay federal income tax. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the owners, who report them on their personal tax returns. However, depending on your business structure, you may also owe self-employment taxes, sales taxes, and local business taxes. Now, let's talk about another important part of running a business: licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, your LLC may need additional licenses and permits. Some businesses require state business licenses, local permits, health permits, zoning permits, and sales tax permits. To find out what licenses and permits your business needs, check CalGold, California's business permit portal, or visit your county's clerk's office. Your LLC may also need federal or professional licensing. Staying compliant with all federal, state, and local regulations helps ensure that your business operates legally. Next, let's discuss your ongoing compliance obligations. State annual reporting requirements. Within 90 days of forming your LLC, you must file a Statement of Information, Form LLC 12, with the California Secretary of State. This report provides updated business information, including your LLC's address, management structure, and agent for service of process. The filing fee is $20, and this form must be renewed every 2 years. If you fail to file on time, your LLC could face penalties or even suspension. Zen Business offers compliance reminders to help you ensure you never miss a deadline. Now, let's talk about processing times and how long it takes to form an LLC. Filing times depend on how you submit your paperwork. Online filings typically take 8 business days, while mail filings can take 2 to 4 weeks. If you file in person at the Sacramento office, you can request expedited processing, which can approve your LLC within 24 hours for an additional fee. Finally, let's discuss the benefits and challenges of forming an LLC in California. California is home to over 4.15 million small businesses, making it one of the most dynamic places to start a business. Forming an LLC provides limited liability protection, flexible tax options, fewer formalities than corporations, and increased credibility. However, California also has some of the highest state fees and taxes in the country. The $800 franchise tax is a significant expense, and certain industries require extensive licensing and permits. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs still find that the benefits outweigh the costs. Final thoughts and next steps. Starting an LLC in California doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With Zen Business, the process is simple, affordable, and designed to set you up for success. From fast LLC formation to ongoing compliance and expert support, Zen Business is the trusted partner for entrepreneurs at every stage. Whether you're starting your first business or expanding an existing one, they provide the tools, guidance, and award-winning customer service to help you stay on track. Best of all, their starter package starts at just $0 plus state fees, making it an accessible option for any budget. Let Zen Business handle the paperwork so you can focus on building your business with confidence. Click the link below to get started with Zen Business today. Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck with your California LLC.